Now let's talk a little bit about our new rounding setting. Basically, how rounding works is that it applies the rounding rules to the individual time entries that you have under that project, task, client, or whatever entity you want to round. In this case, for example, here I have these projects. Let's pay attention to this account management project here with 797 hours, ton of time. If I currently turn rounding on, as you can see, I wanted to round to the nearest 15 minutes, and 797 became 800. That is because it's rounding each individual entries. So we added this setting that you can control where you want to apply the rounding to. If you want to apply the individual entries, you can keep it here, but you can also apply it to the grouped entries, which will apply the rounding exactly to here. In that case, 797 became 798, which is what we wanted. But also pay attention for two specific things. If one of your projects, clients, or whatever entity you're rounding has multiple different billable rates, for example, a project may have people with different billable rates, it will round the sum of each individual billable rate. So you can also apply show rates here so you can exactly see where the rounding is being applied. We do this because when you're rounding the duration, that also is going to impact your amount. So to make the amount more accurate, we're rounding each project rate by the same rule first and then summing that later. Also, if you want to apply a second level group, for example, task, projects, and task, the total rounding will be applied to the bottom group. In this case, we're going to round your total tasks first, sum it all of that, and then apply to this duration here. But if you just want to apply, for example, to projects or clients, you can just go ahead and group by a single property, for example, client, and then apply the group rounding 15 minutes.